Imagine a modern agricultural system combined with advanced rabbit farms. Have you ever wondered which country consumes the most rabbit meat globally? Watch the video to find out this interesting answer. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to keep receiving fascinating content from us. Let's join this journey together and explore even more exciting discoveries. Under the warm sunshine of summer days, a beautiful farm emerges with millions of rabbits playing joyfully. The scenery here stretches far and wide, with cute white rabbit pens carefully built on lush green grass. Each rabbit is cared for meticulously. Every step, every breath is attended to, with love and care. The rabbit meat from this farm is not just a product, but also the result of love and dedication from the farmers. Its special taste and high quality have made a reputation for this country. This is not only a place for rabbit farming, but also a cornerstone for a vibrant and happy community. It must be said that innovative technology has brought significant improvements in the management and operation of modern rabbit farms. By integrating sensors and automation systems, rabbit farming becomes more efficient and accessible than ever. In the rabbit farm, an important convenience is the cleanliness and comfort of the rabbit pens. Each pen is spacious, well ventilated, allowing rabbits natural movement and comfort. At the same time, the pen system is equipped with automatic devices to help manage and care for rabbits more effectively. Cleanliness is ensured through regular hygiene processes and the use of advanced waste treatment technologies. All of these not only provide the best conditions for rabbit development, but also ensure the quality and health of the rabbit meat product. With these advancements, the rabbit farming industry has the opportunity to go further in providing high-quality and sustainable rabbit meat to the market. Explore commercial-scale rabbit farms and see how they operate. Visit Sander Tuar's rabbit farm in Gelderland, Netherlands. Sander, a dedicated rabbit farmer, always operates his farm with responsibility and sustainability. The health and safety of the rabbits are his top priority. He ensures their living environment is kept clean and comfortable, providing spacious and well-ventilated pens. Sander also ensures that rabbits are provided with a balanced diet and undergo regular health checks to keep them healthy and happy. Hygiene is also crucial at Sander's farm, where he strictly adheres to procedures to prevent disease spread and pays meticulous attention to cleanliness and disinfection. This not only ensures the rabbit's health, but also affects the quality of the meat Sander produces. Now let's introduce Manon SRL's advanced and innovative rabbit farming system, a revolutionary method in rabbit care that brings convenience, efficiency, and improved animal welfare. This advanced system features spacious and well-ventilated pens with easy-to-clean surfaces, creating a stress-free environment for rabbits. The modular design allows for easy expansion, serving both small and large-scale rabbit farms. Animal welfare is a top priority, with enough space for rabbits to move freely and exhibit natural behaviors. The system also optimizes space usage and promotes a healthy and sustainable approach to rabbit farming, benefiting both animals and farmers. The process of transitioning from baby rabbits to mature rabbits is a miraculous and loving journey that farmers need to nurture and care for at every stage. When baby rabbits are born, they are very small and fragile, needing special protection and care from the mother rabbit. The mother rabbit will nurture and nourish them by providing nutrient-rich milk and protecting them from environmental risks. As baby rabbits grow, they will begin to explore the world around them and learn to care for themselves. Farmers need to provide a safe and comfortable living environment, with spacious pens and sufficient light to promote their development. Additionally, providing nutrient-rich food and clean water is a top priority to ensure the rabbit's best health and development. As mature rabbits, they become strong and capable of self-nourishment. However, farmers still need to continue observing and caring for them regularly to ensure their health and performance. Vaccinating against diseases and regular health checks are essential to prevent potential health issues and ensure stable rabbit growth. Rabbit personalities are often gentle and friendly, but they can also be very alert and sensitive. They are often curious and enjoy exploring their environment, but can also be timid and fearful in unfamiliar situations. However, when they are nurtured and cared for properly, rabbits often become very friendly and approachable, showing positive interactions with humans and other species in their living environment. In summary, the process of raising rabbits requires careful care and smart management from rabbit farmers. By adhering to proper procedures and caring measures, rabbit farmers can ensure the healthy development of their rabbits and produce high-quality products. Rabbits' main food is grasses and herbs, along with some vegetables and roots. With a grass-eating diet, rabbits become perfect herbivores in nature. They can digest a variety of plants, from lush green grass to delicious leaves, even dry bark. This makes them an integral part of the food chain in the ecosystem. The ability to digest plants is a special characteristic of rabbits, helping them convert fiber into nutrients. This provides them with the energy and nutrients needed for their growth and daily activities. Additionally, natural food helps rabbits maintain a healthy digestive system and nutritional balance, making them more resistant to diseases and environmental stresses. Now let's explore the rabbit meat processing process. Before me, the rabbit meat processing plant appears as a vivid picture of bustling and modern activity. Powerful and advanced machinery systems operate continuously, creating a rhythmic sound of processing. The air in the plant is filled with the smell of fresh meat, full of excitement and potential. The wide open doors allow sunlight to penetrate into every corner of the plant, highlighting the small details of the production process. Technical staff and workers work diligently and dedicatedly, immersing themselves in work with professionalism and high sense of responsibility. The continuous production line operates efficiently and seamlessly. Each piece of rabbit meat is carefully selected, processed, and packaged meticulously and attentively. Advanced equipment and machinery help enhance productivity and product quality while ensuring food safety and hygiene. Each rabbit meat product processed at the plant carries the mark of care and dedication from the production process. Each piece of fresh and delicious meat, carefully packaged, is ready to reach consumers with the hope of providing the best culinary experience. The process of exporting rabbit meat to other countries is an adventurous and exciting journey, where high-quality products from high-quality rabbit farms are transmitted worldwide. From processing at modern plants to careful packaging and preparation for transportation, each step is carried out with care and professionalism. Quality control and food hygiene processes are strictly adhered to, ensuring that exported rabbit meat meets the highest international standards. From identifying the origin to checking every detail of the product, every step is performed with care and meticulousness. After undergoing quality checks and certification processes, rabbit meat is carefully packaged and prepared for transportation. Reliable and professional freight carriers are selected to ensure that the product is transported safely and quickly to its destination. The process of exporting rabbit meat is not just about sending products. It also showcases the quality and reputation of the country's rabbit meat industry. This creates opportunities to expand markets and develop the rabbit farming industry, contributing to improving the lives of people and communities. Rabbits are not only a nutritious food source, but also a source of inspiration for many delicious and diverse dishes. From tender and gentle rabbit meat to flavorful rabbit liver, a variety of rabbit dishes have become popular choices for many people worldwide. Sincerely, thank you for joining us on the wonderful journey at Sun Farm today. We hope you found it enjoyable and gained some valuable insights from this experience. Feel free to share your stories or thoughts below. We'd love to hear and support you. If you found this video interesting, please hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. Your support is a great motivation for us to produce more quality content. Lastly, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, click the subscribe button to stay tuned for future videos. We're committed to providing practical information, tips, and real farming experiences to help you. See you in the next video. Stay safe and keep supporting us. Goodbye and thank you for being with us.